like ownership issues, technology transfer issues, and academic freedom related issues are there. How you will handle that academic issues? So, we can handle it by policies and agreements, collaborations, and alternate dispute resolution. This is the way. So, I will just quickly give you the idea, and then I will move to the next actually. So, if we have a IP policy properly, and therefore mandatory, it is IP policy is a mandatory for any academic institute. The common issues which probably will arise should be taken care in that IP policy, and then the agreement template should be there. It is an indispensable part of a like office of that particular academic institute. It may be small, it may be like established organization, you have to do it. It may be state university college, or it may be state university itself, or autonomous university it may be. This IP policy and agreements are very, very important. Agreements, let us like keep it aside, but IP policy is a very, very important.